I'm Paul, founder of FlowFam. I help small teams and solopreneurs turn chaos into clarity using smarter systems and automation. If you've ever felt like your tools are running you instead of the other way around, you're definitely in the right place. I've spent the past few years designing workflows, setups, workflow systems that actually make sense for humans, not just data. And now I'm bringing that same knowledge here to YouTube. On this channel, I'll be sharing real examples, quick automation tips, and behind the scenes builds that show how to make your tools work together. So you can get back to doing the work that actually matters. If that sounds like your kind of flow, hit subscribe. Let's build smarter together. Welcome to Flow Fam.